GATE 2017 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 36. Two cars P and Q are moving in a racing track continuously for 2 hours. Assume that no other vehicles are using the track during this time. The expressions relating the distance traveled d and time t in kilometer and hour respectively for both the vehicles are given as: for P it is d equals 60t and for Q it is d equals 60t square. Within the first 1 hour, the maximum space headway would be. 4 options have been given: 15 km at 30 minutes, B 15 km at 15 minutes, C 30 km at 30 minutes, and D 30 km at 15 minutes. The relevant NPTEL reference has been mentioned. Coming to the useful data, space headway is defined as the difference in position of two subsequent vehicles on the road at one time instant. So let us assume there is one vehicle A which is traveling on the road and another vehicle is ahead of it which is B. So the difference in position of these two vehicles is given as the space headway, denoted by the letter S. S can be written as the position of car B minus the position of car A at a certain time instant t. If we want to find the maximum space headway, we should differentiate S with respect to time and put it to 0. For maxima, the double derivative of space headway with respect to time should be negative, and for minima, the double derivative would be positive. So in this case, dp is given as 60t and d of q is given as 60t square. These are the function of position of p and q with respect to time. So the space headway between p and q would be given by dp minus dq, which is denoted as s. So this would become 60t minus 60t square. So for the maximum space headway, we will differentiate s with respect to time and make it to 0. So the differentiation of 60t minus 60t square should be 0. This would turn out to be 60 minus 120t equals 0. From this we will get the value of t as 0.5 hours. Now we need to check if the space headway is a maxima. So we will find its double derivative. So the double derivative of 60t minus 60t square would turn out to be minus 120, which is less than 0, and hence it is a maxima. So the point t equals 0.5 hours will give us a maxima. So the space headway would be 60t minus 60t square. Substituting the value of t as 0.5, which will be, we would get the value to be 15 kilometers. So within the first hour, the maximum space headway would be 15 kilometers at a time of 30 minutes, which is option A. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.